So hello students, in this video we will discuss about rules to learn typing. So as you know, with the help of keyboard we can type anything that we want in our system, in Microsoft Word or in any typing software that we are using. So what we have to do, just we have to press any specific key, then by the combination of the keys a specific word is typed, and with the combination of the words a specific sentence is created, and with the combination of different sentences we can type a specific paragraph and a whole document. But do we know how to type correctly using the keyboard? Generally we don't use the correct fingers on the correct key because there is a specific rule to type. Do you know why the keyboard is not in the alphabetical order? As you know that our keyboard does not start from A to A, B, C and up to Z. What is this order? This order is from Q, QWERTY and so on. So what is the reason behind this? The reason behind is this: to type speedily. Using this kind of keyboard we can type speedily. If we were having the keyboard in the alphabetical order, then our typing speed would not be high, would not be fast. So for speed typing there are different kinds of rule. For example, this is the first way to place the keys in a specific order, in the QWERTY order, and for a typist certain rules are also followed. So let's see what are these rules to type speedily in the computer. So first rule is use all fingers. So we don't have to use only one hand or one specific finger to type. We have to use all fingers, and all fingers of both hands. Means try to use all fingers of both hands and your thumbs for space bar. Your thumbs must be on a space bar, and your all 8 fingers must be used for typing, for speed type. Next is proper positioning. Place all fingers on the proper key. This is proper positioning. There is a specific rule for typing that our 4 left hand fingers should be placed on a specific 4 keys, and our right hand 4 fingers will be placed on the specific 4 fingers. So these proper positioning is necessary for typing speedily. And next is proper posture. Posture means how to sit in front of our system. So there is a specific posture in which we will have to sit for speed typing. That is, correct posture is necessary for typing as well as to avoid health complications. Means suppose we have to do our work for a long time, we have to use our system for a long time, then if we don't sit in that specific posture, in the correct posture, then we can have our health complications, when we can have health problems just because of the bad posture of sitting. So proper posture is required for speed typing. Means if we are not sitting in the correct posture, proper posture, then we cannot type for a long time. So next, this proper posture is most important, and what are the rules of the proper posture for speed typing? Let's see. The first point is keep your back straight. We have to sit straight. in straight direction. We don't have to bend our waist, and we don't have to bend also our head for typing. Just we have to be completely straight while typing, for speed typing and for typing without any problem for a long time. And next, elbows must be bent at the right angle. Means our system should be like that. When we are typing, our elbows should be bent at right angle, means at the angle of 90 degree. Means we are sitting just straight and our elbows are making 90 degree angle with our head line and with the chair. So elbows must be bent at the right angle. And next point is face the screen by slightly tilting the head. There must be a little tilt, not a huge tilt is required for typing, because you don't have to look into the keyboard. This is the correct way of typing without looking into the keyboard. A typist does not look into the keyboard, and we just have to look or face the screen only and the document from which we have to type. So face the screen by slightly tilting the head, and keep 20 to 30 inches distance between eyes and screen. There must be a proper distance. This distance is 20 to 30 inches from the screen, and our eyes and screen should be at the 20 to 30 inches apart. And next is optimum height of the under desk keyboard must be 28 to 30 inches from the surface. So as the distance 20 to 30 inches is required for correct posture of typing, because if we don't keep this distance, I'm just talking about 20 to 30 inches from the screen distance, if we don't put this distance, so either the radiation from the screen can affect our eyes, or it can also, if we sit the far up, from this distance, means more than 30 inches, then we cannot see the words, we cannot see the letters written on the screen or the objects on the screen properly. So it could be harmful for our eyesight also. So we need to keep 20 to 30 inches distance between eyes and screen. And similarly, the distance from the surface, the optimum height of the under desk keyboard should be at 28 to 30 inches. The keyboard, where the keyboard is placed, must be only at 28 to 30 inches from the surface for speed typing, so that it can make 90 degree angle for typing. So you can see in this picture that there are two postures of typing. First is right and second is the wrong way of typing. So we just have to sit straight. As you can see in the first picture, she is sitting straight and her elbows are making this angle 90 degree, and the distance, it is here, and there is an angle little tilt only 5 degree. So the proper distance and proper height, this is the proper right way of typing. First way is the right way of typing, and you can see we should not be bent, or we should not be lie down, or we should not be at the incorrect height of the sitting posture. So with the help of this picture, you can just identify that how should we type and how should we sit in a proper position for typing. That we should not put anything harmful, anything liquid on our keyboard near our laptop or our system, so it may harm our system. So for typing speedily and correctly, and to sit or to avoid the complications, we must sit in a proper position like the first one.